Hi, welcome to Just About Any Food. Today I will be making some Escovitch fish and the ingredients will be listed in the description box below. So here I have 2 tilapias that I've washed and cleaned. You can use any fish of your choice. I also have salt and black pepper. I will add more if I need to. Onion, vinegar, carrot, habanero. You can use scotch bonnet if you like. 2 cloves of garlic, and I will use a few pimento seeds as well. I am going to go ahead and dry my fish with a paper towel to remove the excess water before I add my salt and black pepper. So after drying my fish, I am going to get the black pepper and the salt, and I'm going to combine them together before I add them to the fish. So now that I'm almost done combining the black pepper, I'm going to set it aside, and I am going to take one of the fish and I'm going to just sprinkle the black pepper all over on the outer part of the fish and also on the inner part. So you want to make sure that you season this properly with the salt and the black pepper. You want to also put it in the head and in the belly, on the 2 sides and all over, just so that you can have a nice and tasty fish when you're done frying it. So I went ahead and I add some oil to my pot, and to the oil I'm going to add 2 cloves of garlic, and I do this so that the oil can get the flavor from the garlic. After the oil is hot, I'm going to add my fish, and I'm only frying 1 fish at a time because this pot is very small to fry both fish at once. So meanwhile my fish is frying, I'm going to go ahead and slice my onion and my carrots and also the habanero pepper. So this is how I slice my onion. I set it on the side and I make sure to slice them in thin strips downwards. So I'm going to go ahead and check on my fish, and as you can see my fish is doing fine. It have a nice golden color, and I will be removing this from the pot right now and set it on a plate so that it can drip the oil, and I will fry my other fish as well. And I will also remove those garlic from the oil too. ahead and discard most of this oil, and I will be leaving about a tablespoon, and to that I am adding my chopped onions, carrots, and the habanero, and I will also add the vinegar and the pimento seeds. After adding everything to the pot, you don't want to leave it on for too long, maybe a minute, because you don't want to lose the crunch from the carrots and the onions. I am going to add the pickled sauce that I've just made on top of the fish, and I'm going to add everything, and I will be leaving this fish until tomorrow before I eat it, because I want it to get all the flavor from the onion, the carrots, the pepper, the vinegar, the pimento seed, and everything. I want it to soak up all that goodness. So, guys, there you have it. Jamaican Escovitch fish. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and cook with love always.